Well, yesterday was such a whirlwind of excitement. I have met some of the most amazing individuals who were kind enough to take me in, treat me not just like a friend, but I felt like I was family. Those guys are amazing. And not only that, their generosity is beyond anything I can explain. The event was fantastic. I had a great time. Most importantly, I met some awesome people. Well, it's time. I gotta check out of this great room and move on to Eben Caves. I'll see you guys there. Here we are at Eben Ice Caves, heading out. It's a beautiful, snowy UP day. It's kind of cold out. Visibility is low. I hope that the snow stops as soon as I get there, and the sun is kind of peeking out will make its appearance. Here we are, walking the trail out to the Eben Ice Caves. It's a little windy, snow's blowing a little bit, and the sun is trying to peek out. I think with the right filters and the right lens, I'll be able to get some decent pictures today. Well, once we got out of the field there, wind's being blocked a little bit. Snow doesn't seem to be coming down quite as hard. And man, the Upper Peninsula's beauty in the winter is just unbeatable. If you can tolerate the single-digit temperatures. Well, here we are about halfway back the trail to the Eben Caves. It's taken me about 10 minutes or so. So you can see behind me, the beauty of the woods is just phenomenal. Oh, here I am, walking out of the Eben Caves. Eben Caves. Excuse the Blair Witch-like effects of the herky and jerky. I am walking. It's a little cold. But I wanted you to see some of the beauty of Michigan's Upper Peninsula here in the winter. If you can brave the single-digit or negative temperatures, the beauty out here is unbelievable. Now, if you just take a little bit of time, dress in some layers, maybe cheat like I did and get yourself a Milwaukee M12 heated sweatshirt. That'll definitely make it easier to stay warm. If you are heading out to the caves, prepare for a little bit of a walk. It takes about 15 minutes to get out there. Strongly recommend that you use some yak tracks or some kind of ice cleat on your shoes so as not to fall. I've seen a few people go down. The path is walkable if you're in decent shape. Just remember, you gotta take your time, and you know it's gonna take a little while to get in and out.